Multiple tonguing on a trumpet can be a really fun experience, but you want to know what would be even more fun? Being able to do it faster. What's going on, everybody? This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to increase the speed of your multiple tonguing. So let's get to it. So trumpet players, this is a very important tip that I would like for you guys to know. In order to play things fast, we must start slow. I see this a lot in trumpet players, where they pick up the instrument and try to play things super duper fast, and they can't do it because they haven't taken the time to gradually build the speed up in whatever it is that they're playing. So trumpet players, you're not going to wake up the next day and be able to double tongue or triple tongue at 150 beats per minute. It doesn't work that way. You have to start at a slow tempo and gradually build that tempo up as you're working towards increasing the speed of your multiple tonguing. So what I'm going to do now is show you guys in real time how I work on increasing my speed in my double and triple tonguing. So here we go. So what you will need to increase the speed of your multiple tonguing is a metronome. I don't have a metronome, so I'm going to use the metronome app on my phone. So I'm going to set the metronome at 4/4 time at 80 beats per minute. And I'm going to do both double tonguing and triple tonguing. And let's remind ourselves that double tonguing is taka 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 taka, and triple tonguing is ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka. So here we go. This is double tonguing first, and then I'm going to do triple tonguing. Taka 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 taka. 1, 2, ready. Triple tonguing. Ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka. 1, 2, ready. So at that point, I double tongued and triple tongued for 80 beats per minute. Now what I'm going to do is set the metronome 4 clicks higher. So I'm going to go from 80 to 84 beats per minute. Here we go. Double tonguing first again. Taka 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 taka. 1, 2, ready. Triple tonguing. Ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka. 1, 2, ready. I'm gonna go up 4 more clicks, so from 84 to 88 beats per minute, and so on and so forth. Taka 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 taka. 1, 2, ready. Ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka. 1, 2, ready. .92 beats per minute. Taka 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 taka. 1, 2, ready. Ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka. 1, 2, ready. .96 beats per minute. Taka 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 taka. 1, 2, ready. Ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka ta ta ka. 1, 2, ready. .100 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. Beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 108 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 112 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 116 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 120 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 124 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 128 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 132 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 136 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 140 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 144 beats per minute. Chaka 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 chaka. 1, 2, ready. Cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka cha chaka. 1, 2, ready. 148 beats per minute. 1, 152 beats per minute. Digga, 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 digga. 1, 2, ready? Digga, 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 1, 2, ready? 156 beats per minute. Digga, 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 1, 2, ready? So I got all the way up to 156 beats per minute, and I started at 80 beats per minute. So that's to let you know right there, you are not going to wake up the next day double tonguing as fast as I did, which is at 156. And the reason why I stopped there is because my tongue was getting really tired and I couldn't do it consistently anymore. So, as stated before, start off at a slow tempo, build up 4 clicks at a time, and go until your tongue gets tired. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and I'm out. See you in the next video.